A few years ago I made this video about if you've got one of these Candy tumble dryers, the lights all flash and then it stops working properly. Recently I've had a new problem which also makes the lights all flash, and it kind of made me think a lot of people in the comments for that video, which has got quite a few thousand views now, a lot of people are saying like when I press that button on the back it doesn't do anything, it's still like it doesn't press in. And then the problem's not fixed, or they don't have the button to press in the first place. And I wonder if it's maybe this new issue that they're having, so it looks kind of the same. The difference is, on the first issue where the fuse is blown and it needs to be reset, the lights will flash 21 times. On this issue, where there's another problem, the lights flash 14 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's two different error codes. So you might want to count the flashes, and if it's 14 times, then this might be the one for you. The other difference with this error is it won't stop. Like with the old error, the machine would stop and you'd get all those flashing lights. With this error, it doesn't stop, just keeps going, but it doesn't heat up. So I was just about to give up on this and chuck it in the bin, and then I remembered seeing a video when I was doing some research a wee while ago about what the error code 14 meant, and someone had taken the top off of it. So at this point I've replaced 2 NTC sensors, a thermostat and the whole heater unit. But I thought I'll just have a look in here and see what I can see. So you take these 3 screws out here at the back, make sure it's definitely make sure it's unplugged. 3 screws out there, and then this bit pulls off, and then this bit of wood you just pull it back, and then the whole thing comes forward, and it's on like a little catch. So you just lift it up like that, that bit comes off, and the problem is in there, this PCB, which some people said the PCB was the problem if it's doing that error. The PCB, I'm not sure how much it costs, so I'll put the price up here, but I'm sure it's probably plenty. And you see all this dust here, I cleaned most of it out, and just between 2 contacts in there, here, I'll put it in the video, was covered in dust. It was like stuck onto it. So I think what's happened is those were bridging those contacts and causing it to think there was a problem with one of the NTCs. So just put it back together and then we'll give it a test. So at this point I've spent about £70, 60 or £70 on the NTC parts, new heater. So I'll publish all those videos so you can see how to replace all those bits, but it looks like it was just a bit of dust that was trapped behind here. Let's give it a try. Hot, working fine. So if your Candy or Hoover equivalent of this tumble dryer is giving you 14 flashes, keeping going, then it could just be a bit of dust, and all you need to do is take that back cover off and give it a good clean. I used this brush and the Hoover to brush all the dust out. Have a look at the other videos though, because it was a bit of a, I've seen bits of this tumble dryer no man should ever see, and yeah, it was quite hard going. Anyway, it's fixed now, again. Thanks for watching.